Hello to you all, and welcome to Railway 187. And we're having the waiting room of Hornby, the Trackside model. And if you want to know the number, this should be on the box here. It's R.8001 waiting room. Yeah. So clip together and with self-adhesive finish. Let's see what's in the box. So in the box is this and something like this and this one, which is a platform. So these are self-adhesive. This is the building without brickwork, without roof, no roof tiles. So yeah, it looks like good quality plastic. Here inside we have all the elements which we have to cut free ourselves. There's a bench and something like that. This is the building, and these are the platform elements. Quite rudimentary. And these are the steps, so people could get on the street. And then we have yeah, I'm not sure what this is. A few elements. Oh, that's something for luggage. Yeah. And we have this one, 8 cards, and we have this fencing, which looks alright, but I don't think it's better than what I have now from Staple, old Airfix kit. Right, and then we have the self-adhesive wall decoration and instruction sheet. So this is for the walls of the building. This is the roof. These are the side walls. I'm not sure what this is. I can't find it really. Something like, oh, that's probably for the chimneys. Yeah, probably. We have a second variant, or sort of a backup for when things go wrong. Well, my railway is supposed to be southern, although it was northern at the beginning, but I'm not sure I would go for this one. I think I'd rather go for the stone finish. I think it's better. I wonder if I will use this or I would use the Staple stones, because this one has a little bit of a shine to it. Yeah. Right. Not easy, I think, also, yeah, to fix it here. Right, and then where's the windows? Oh, here's the instruction sheet. And here's some more decoration. Oh, and here are the windows. Yeah, this is quite sturdy plastic. Not bad. Right. Okay, that's it. I'm not gonna bother you with the build project, but if you're planning to buy this, then you know at least what you can expect. So, and this is the Japle building which I want to replace. Why do I want to do this? It's so small in comparison to the footbridge. Always bothered by it, and it's too long. So I am not sure how that looks at home when you're looking to it, when you're watching to it, but there's hardly any passage possible here, and yeah, I'm a bit tired of it, really. So this is the Hornby building, and as you can see, it sits better on the platform. It is slightly higher also, and you can imagine if the chimneys are on it like this, then it's even slightly higher than the footbridge. So I'm not sure. I'm not sure. What do you think? Let me know. I have a third alternative, by the way, and that is this one, which was on my old Soviet layout. I would have to cut it from the platform where it's on now. It's HO sort of, but really it's quite large. That woman was under the platform. So as you can see, it's quite large, and it would really fit for O scale as well. It's you need to think away this centimeter, so it's almost as high as the footbridge, and I would make the chimney higher to make it more British. It is, of course, a very particular building. It's, yeah, not really British, I guess. So let me know what you think in the comments. Would I use this one? Would I use the Hornby one? Or do you think this just should stay on displays? Okay, that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.